Here are some more of my plants. This is the plant stand located near my bathroom and the living room in my apartment. Let's see. These are grown under 22 feet T5 lights. It's 4 of them. Alright, these are some Seedlings speciosa hybrids right here. This one in the back is a brocade mix. They both are. So I know this one right here has purple double flowers. This one is kind of pink reddish. And this one right here is a Charles Lawn hybrid. You can see the seed pods. I think I have about 2 weeks before they ripen. I think it takes about a month for them to ripen, so I think I have about 2 weeks left. They have burn marks on them. That's what the marks on the leaves are. I exposed them to light when they weren't prepared for and they got burned. But you can see the new growth coming back and they've adjusted to it. So, yay. This right here is a mini Seedlings hybrid. I'm trying to grow it for show. I'm just trying to test and see how long it takes when you remove stuff. Remove the disbud the blossoms. You can see the blossoms are coming back right there. The showing is about 6 weeks, so we'll see what happens. This one is a Smithiantha hybrid. I think it's Big Dots Rule. This is pretty great actually. I like the fact that you can grow it from rhizomes, and it just grew off like crazy once I repotted it about a week or so ago. The leaves are pretty big, so these are all mini Seedlings right here, and these are Calarias. What I do is once they I see the growth initially from the rhizome, I let them grow out a little bit, and then I'm going to repot them. This one is a Smithicota, what the hell you can read it, hybrid. It's a intergeneric cross, and you can see it's just starting, so we'll see how big it gets soon enough. The bottom row contains a lot of Phalaenopsis. These are grown straight under T5 lights, the 2-foot 2-light system daylight bulbs. I got obsessed with Phalaenopsis in October, like the ones I had in my other plant stand. I'll leave them here to grow out and see if they can spike. You can see spikes coming right here. There's a spike coming from the one right there. Right there. Yes, so I feel pretty proud of myself. These were spiked at first. They were in the plant stand in the living room, but they stopped. And so I just put them down here to grow up again. I got these for like $1 or $2 each. They were all like dead and stuff, and so I brought them back. And I can't figure out what this white stuff is on the Spangle moss. You can see kind of the mold it's on them, but whatever. This is a Streptocarpus trying to leaves. Open that. I think it's called Tellarelli. It's from Dibley's. These are also Streptocarpus leaves. There are Crystal Brush, and this other one is Optimara Modesty leaves. And I'm just trying to grow them out and see what happens. We go back a bit to my bedroom. Yes, I have a plant stand in my bedroom. I've gotten really obsessed. I need to fix that quickly. I wake up, it comes on at like 4 in the morning. I can't go to sleep after they come home. But here we go. This is the plant stand in the bedroom. These are mostly Streptocarpus. I was trying to grow these to show. I don't know if they're show quality, but I was testing to see what happens when you just bud them. This one right here is a Streptocarpus. It's Roulette Azure. I like the size of the leaves, and I actually like the blossoms. This is Crystal Beauty, another Streptocarpus. I got obsessed with Crystal, the Dibley's Crystal series for a while. So I got this one, I was really excited about it. Then once it bloomed, I was like, it's okay looking. This one right here is a Dibley's hybrid. It's called, I think, My Fanway. I like it pretty. It looks pretty nice. And this one is crystal ice. Now, there's no bloom on it, but I've been disbudding it for about 3 months now, and it initially had about 3 leaves, and now look, it has quite a lot of them. So disbudding helps. These are some more mini Seedlings growing from the tubers. This is a Seedling hybrid called California Sunset. I tried to cross it with this one. This is a Charles Lawn hybrid. The leaves are pretty ratty looking because of the exposure to the light too quickly. But I crossed these to this one with this California Sunset, and I just got rid of the seed pod today, but it was sort of empty. So I don't know if it's just sterile or it didn't work out, but I'm going to plant some stuff that happened with it. They had a little, I think, seeds in it, so we'll see what happens. This is another Charles Lawn hybrid. If it blooms in time for show, in 6 weeks I will try to enter it. But it looks pretty nicely. I like the leaves. Yeah, pretty nice. These are all some other straps. They're from Bristol's Tropical Sunrise, I believe, and I divided them. This is another Seedling hybrid showing the burn marks that I had. These are from the Empress mix. I thought about just taking them all off and starting over, but let's see what happens. This second row is just some African violets that I grew from seed. The color's going to be off because they're growing under the purple lights, grow lights, but they are from NATO seeds. I was trying to learn how to grow African violets or anything from seeds, and it actually worked out pretty nicely. I learned a lot actually from growing them. I made a lot of mistakes with them, but they're here. I should be giving them away and taking them to work, I think tomorrow. Here's some more I've grown from NATO seeds. I'm actually going to keep this one. It has fantasy streaks on it. Can it focus? Let's see. There you go. And so I'm going to keep that one. Again, the light's off because these are grown on the grow lights. Same ones in the other one. Just trying to see how they grow. Let's see. These other ones. So African violets. This is usually initially my isolation chamber. When I got something new, I would bring them into this room and isolate them from the main plant stand in the living room. So that's why these are a lot of rescues from stores. So let's see. This one in the back is a Space Violet, Ever Special. It's grown pretty nicely. I think I rescued it in November, perhaps. And I'm going to use it for hybridizing. I want to get the wavy foliage. This one right here is Optimara Maui, I believe. I rescued this one, and it looks like the other named one I have back here. That's the Optimara Maui, and so I have them in here growing under the grow lights to see what happens. But it looks exactly like the other one. Let's see. This one is another species, the Confucia Mother E. Pronunciations, I need to work that out. This one is Optimara Clementine. I wanted it before because it had Space Violet genetics, but it's growing very slowly. So this is the one I got as a present. It's Optimara Romance from my friend Charlie. Giving you a shout out. So I disbudded it. I'm gonna keep disbudding it for about 3 months to see how big it gets. This is one that I saved from the store. I'm not sure what it is, but it's gonna have its first bloom soon. Looks like it's I don't know if it's Annabelle, but it's blossoms. The bell blossoms. This is another one I saved. I think it's either Chico or Optimara Chico or Maine. You can't really tell from the lights how they are, but that's it. The last row, these are grown under 4 T5 fluorescent tubes. It is very, very bright. Very bright. So I've tried to grow, I have them kind of blocked off or trying to diffuse the light with some fabric. And it's going okay, I guess. I don't know, too soon to tell. Let's see. This is a leftover Phalaenopsis that I saved. It has 2 spikes now. Pretty neat. Ooh. So I've mastered this bringing Phalaenopsis back to life test. These are some Cattleya orchids. I've waited for about a year for them to bloom. I've gotten very bored with them, extremely bored. So once they bloom, I think I'm going to either give them away. I won't trash them, but I figure once they bloom, I'm going to like them, and then I'll be stuck with them. This one in the back is a dendrobium. I decided to play around by adding some humidity to it, so I have a humidity thing right here. Yeah. We'll test it out and see how it works. This is a Columnia orange sherbet. It was much smaller than this about a month ago, and I placed it on these T5 lights, and now it has its first blooms right there. Yay. I feel like I'm winning. Charlie Sheen. This one is a Semania or Semana. Yes. I got that one. These are all leaves in some regards. African violet leaves. This is a tip cutting of a Seninja mini. I'm involved in the Streptococcus project on one of the internet websites, and these are my strep seedlings right there. They've kind of sat there for a while, but they've really taken off once I transplanted them. These are seedlings for, I have no idea, actually. I know for sure one of them is streps. I haven't written it down somewhere, but yeah, I'm pretty clueless. These are some more African violet leaves. Running out of time. These are just some more African violet leaves here. Nothing spectacular, actually. But this is probably interesting though. These are some seeds that I'm growing for a lot of Seninjas. I think this one is a Cardinalis. Should probably transplant that one soon. These are either St. Paula grandifolia species, or maybe Seninja guttata. I planted them all, the seeds next to each other, so who knows what they are until they bloom. And this one is either Smithiantha zebrina, or it's going to be Seninja conspicua. I hope it's the conspicua, but I don't think it looks like a Seninja to me at the moment. And finally, here are some begonia leaves that I got on a trip to a nursery, and the guy gave me cuttings. I like the color of them pretty nicely, so I've never done anything with begonias before, but they look pretty nice. And these are, I think, some seed, they're grown from seeds, the African violet species grandifolia number 299, I believe they are. And this one is, I have no idea. I should probably read it. Oh, these are different Seninja hybrids, Leucotricha and some other one I can't remember, but they should be there. And this last one is a Specia. I don't really like them, but I tried to save it, and I'm really bored with those, but whatever. And these are some strep leaves that's taken forever to make platelets, but there they are. And that's it. There you go.